Hi, welcome to Rentirio. We are back with another renovation video which we did in Basungudi. I changed this kitchen from this to this, and let me show you how I did this within a span of 3 weeks. So if you see in the video, we broke down the whole sajja to the counter which was made in the cement. We made sure the flooring was taken off. We made sure that the civil construction which was done previously, the countertops, everything were removed. And now the next thing which we did was the client wanted a breakfast or a see-through partition between the dining and the kitchen. So we had a small opening between the dining and the kitchen. This we did because we wanted to make sure the kitchen looks more spacious, and it is not confined to a smaller area. So that the moment we opened that particular area, so we had a better feel of kitchen. So you see in this video where we have opened up the wall and made it more spacious. We put a granite counter on top of it, and this is what exactly we wanted to achieve, so that the kitchen looks more spacious and you have a good view from the dining area. So this client of ours had a very limited budget in mind, and he wanted to build something neat and something which can accommodate a lot of storage. So let me just show you how we have actually made use of the storage, made use of the space what we have here, and created some storage for the client, both on the upper cabinet and the lower cabinet. And then if you see, we have given some storage on the loft as well, so that you could store something which you don't use very often. So let me take you through this video where I have created a storage system, and I also installed a granite slab in the kitchen. So this is what we did for a very small space kitchen renovation project on budget, and we wanted to give something good for the budget what the client had. He had a very small budget for renovating this whole space, and we helped him renovate this kitchen. I hope you have liked this video. If you have a similar kitchen or you want to renovate existing kitchen, kindly get in touch with us. You can go to our website and put an inquiry there. It is called rentirio.in, or I'll leave my WhatsApp number in the description. You can also WhatsApp me directly, so we can take this forward. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this.